So 2 weeks ago I was on duty and I was walking around the playground and Te Miringa said to me, "Mātua, I've been writing songs." And I was like, "Oh, that's cool." So she sang me this song about her father that she wrote for him on Father's Day. And I was like, "That's a really cool song, really catchy. We need to do something with that." So 2 weeks ago we had Jimmy on the bass guitar, we had Gisela on the drums, and we had Dayton on the keys, and we sort of muscled around with some tune and how it would work. And today, Mātua Manu's class walked by and I thought, let's bring them in as an audience. And this young man here just picked up the bass guitar, first time ever. And we've thrown in some backup singers. And we've got Waizen on the tambourine. And this is an original song written by Te Miringa that no one's ever heard before. Here we go. Wow.